Hey guys, welcome back to the Fit Life channel, where I break things down very simple so you can use it in your everyday life. In today's video, we're talking about fiber and how it is important to your diet. But before I get started, if you find this video informative or if it helps you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Now, we've all heard the term that you should eat more fiber, and yes, this is true. But first, we have to understand the difference between the fibers. There's two different fibers. There's soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and it's great for lowering cholesterol and glucose levels. Then there's insoluble fiber, which promotes the movement of things through your stomach, intestines, colon, and eventually out of your body. Now, this is very important in bodybuilders, and the reason I say that is because of net carbs. Fiber digests differently from your traditional carbs. So in bodybuilders, in order for them to not hit a major surplus, especially when they're bulking, it's very important to get in lots of fiber. When you're bulking, you're eating a lot of food. You need that food to continue moving. Without getting enough fiber, it's easy for that to get backed up, for you to stay full a little too long, and make it very hard for you to get in the necessary calories that you need every day. That's why fiber in bodybuilding is very important. Now, let's talk about the best ways to find these sources of fiber. Soluble fiber can be found in oats, peas, things like beans, apples, citrus fruits, and carrots. Insoluble fiber is great for people that have problems with constipation. It'll help keep your stools regular. And the best way to find this fiber is in whole wheat, flour, wheat bran, cauliflower, nuts, green beans, potatoes. Those are great sources to find insoluble fiber. Let's talk about the benefits of consuming the right amount of fiber daily. It helps you live a lot longer. Normal bowel movements. It helps to maintain a healthy digestive system. It helps control blood sugar, glucose, and cholesterol levels. Now, you're probably wondering how much fiber is safe to consume every day. Well, I like the rule of 15 grams per 1,000 calories eaten. There are studies that show men the age of 50 or younger should consume about 38 grams every day. Women 50 or younger, 25 grams every day. Men 51 plus 30 grams every day, and women that are 50 plus about 21 grams every day. I try to keep it simple, 15 grams per 1,000 calories eaten. Fiber is also really good when you are dieting. It helps to keep you satiated and full a lot longer. It takes more energy for your body to digest it, which in return helps you burn more calories. So, if anything, when you are dieting, trying to lose body fat, make sure that you get in your proper amount of fiber every day. It will benefit you in your fat loss journey like you would not believe. I do this religiously when I am dieting, and it makes it so much easier because though fiber is still considered a carb, it's not really a net carb. So it doesn't totally go against your calories. You should still count them as 4 grams, just like you would count any other carb. But being that it digests differently, it's not like you're truly getting 4 calories, if that makes sense. That is the most simple way that I can explain fiber. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below and I will answer them. You can follow me on Instagram at Harley Davidson or Nothing. You can follow my podcast that's available on Apple and Spotify at Fit Life Over 40. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. And until next time, I'll see you at the next video.